Okay, if you're going to make a Google Forms quiz, the first thing you're going to do is you're going to go to the New tab in your Google Drive, and you're going to scroll down to More, where it says Google Forms. It'll create an untitled form. You're going to name it. Let's see, one of them is called Sharpen the Saw Quiz. So whatever the name of your habit is, you're going to name it that, and then quiz. Right here in description, you're going to put the names of people in your group. Notice it already has a question here. You can type a question, and then you have options. You can have multiple choice. You can have check boxes so they can check more than one answer. You can have a drop down, which is it's just a fancier way of having multiple choice. You can make it a short answer or a paragraph. I don't suggest those as much because they take longer for you to look at to grade. You can have them do a scale 1 to 10 type thing. And then there's some other fancier ones down here too. I'm going to do the drop down. I'm going to say my name is Bob, Stephanie, Mark, or Jill. Right here it says required. You need to make sure the required tab is selected. You're going to continue to add questions using this button right here. You'll add another question. And then this one could be multiple choice. So what you'll do then, once you have all of your questions in, you'll go up here to the little settings button. You will click collect email addresses, restrict to PW Community Schools users. You'll go over here to the word quizzes, and you'll click make this a quiz. You will then click save. Now it will ask you to make the right answer, so that way it grades it for you. You'll click the word answer key, and you will select the right answer for every question. Okay, so this one, you'd click answer key, and then click done. So you have to do that for every question. You can also go up here to this color palette, and you can change the color. Maybe you want it to be like green, maybe darker, maybe you want the font to be a little different. Maybe you want to choose an image that goes up here. You can do that, and it does change, your colors. You can always change more colors here. Whatever you want to do. When you are finished, you can use this little eye icon for previewing so you can take a look at what your quiz would look like. Notice that it has the drop down is the drop down menu. Notice this is the multiple choice. When you're all done, guys, what I want you to do is you'll click the word send. You'll click this little icon right here, which is a link. You'll shorten it. You will copy it. And one person from your group will submit it on Google Classroom. The rest of the people in your group need to click submitted or turned in or whatever it is on Google Classroom that shows that you've turned it in, that your group has submitted it. Okay?